The ANRAN Solar Security Camera Kit combines 4 wireless outdoor cameras with a central base station, giving a cohesive system that is easier to manage than mixing individual devices. Each camera uses an integrated solar panel and internal battery, so as long as there is regular sunlight, you avoid running power cables or worrying about frequent charging. The dedicated base station connects by wired network cable and handles the wireless links to all 4 cameras, which keeps the video feed stable and reduces the load on your household router. Local storage on the base station means your footage is saved on site with encryption, so you keep control of your recordings without ongoing subscription costs. The 4-megapixel sensors and built-in spotlight deliver noticeably sharper detail than older 3-megapixel systems and improve clarity on faces and license plates even at night. Full rotation coverage and viewing all 4 cameras on a single screen make it practical to watch large areas, and the manufacturer backs the kit with responsive technical support and a multi-year warranty.